Okay, in this video we're going to cover a fraction divided by a fraction, which is also divided by a fraction. And we're going to solve these three problems. And so let's begin. Now, in order to solve this problem, we're going to keep our 3/4. So I'm going to keep my 3/4, and instead of dividing these two pieces, I'm actually going to multiply by the reciprocal. So instead of 1/2, I'm going to do 2 divided by 1. Instead of 2/5, I'm going to do 5 divided by 2. And now it's pretty easy, just multiply it out. But we can see some cancellations, like this 2 and this 2 gets canceled. So now we have 3 times 5, which is 15, divided by 4. And this right here is our final answer. Now I'm also going to show why this kind of works. So if we didn't have this piece right here, let's say we had this. This piece is kind of normal. Like you always got to multiply by the reciprocal. So you have 3 divided by 4 times, instead of 1/2, do 2 divided by 1. And what we're going to get is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 4. If you simplify it, you get 3 divided by 2. At this point, if we bring this piece back, we're going to say divided by 2/5. And so now we just do it again. So 3 divided by 2 times 5 divided by 2. And we're going to get 15 divided by 4. Now, another way of thinking about this, let's choose easier numbers. Let's say you have 10 apples and you're dividing it by 1/2. Now I know 10 divided by 2 is going to give me 5, but I'm dividing by 1/2. So if this was 10 divided by 2, we get 5, but now we have 10 divided by 1/2. Maybe you have a group of friends and they only eat half apples. So how many part of an apple can they all share? Well, intuitively we know it's 20. If a person only eats half an apple and you have 10 full apples, you know you'll be able to split these 10 apples amongst 20 people. And the math behind it is 10 times multiplied by the reciprocal, so 2 divided by 1. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 divided by 1 is 20. And that's our final answer. With that, we're going to solve 2 more problems. So same idea, 5 divided by 2 times 4 divided by 3 times 7 divided by 3. Now we can simplify a little bit. We can cancel this 2, and this 4 now becomes a 2. It's like 4 divided by 2, so you still have 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. So we have 70 divided by 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 70 divided by 9, and this right here is our final answer. Last problem, we got 1/2 times 3 divided by 1 times 4 divided by 1 is equal to. This 2 will be canceled, the 4 turns into a 2, so we have 3 times 2 is 6, and so 6 is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for these types of problems.